Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to split payment on Expedia. This is a handy feature for those who want to manage their travel expenses more flexibly or share costs with travel companions. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, you'll see several options at the top of the page for different types of bookings. Choose your preferred options such as stays, flights, cars, packages, or cruises. For this example, let's click on stays since that's one of the most common booking types. Now you'll need to enter your travel details. Navigate to the Where To field and type in your destination area in the text field. This could be a city, hotel name, or specific location you're interested in visiting. Right beside it, you'll see the Dates option. Click on Dates, then select your check-in date and check-out date from the calendar that appears. This helps Expedia show you availability for your specific travel window. If you need to adjust the number of travelers, click the Travelers button. Here you can modify the number of adults and children by clicking the minus and plus icons next to each category. Once you've set everything up correctly, click Search. This will bring up a list of available hotels that match your criteria. Browse through the hotel list carefully and click on your preferred hotel. This will take you to a detailed page with more information about the property, amenities, and room types. Scroll down until you reach the Rooms section. Hover your mouse over the room you want, then click Reserve. At this stage, you'll be presented with payment timing options. It's important to select Pay Now instead of Pay Later, as this is crucial for accessing payment flexibility options. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details. Fill in your first name, last name, and phone number in the appropriate fields. Now comes the important part regarding payment. Navigate to the Payment Methods section. Here's something you need to know. Expedia does not offer a built-in split payment feature across all bookings. It only offered splitting in limited cases, mainly for some prepaid hotels and packages on certain devices or regions. This means that the traditional option to split a payment between two cards isn't universally available. However, there is an alternative solution. You can click on monthly payments if this option appears. This allows you to break down your payment into smaller, more manageable installments over time. After selecting this option, scroll down and click Continue to Affirm. Affirm is a payment partner that facilitates these monthly payment plans, making it easier to budget for your trip. And there you have it. While Expedia doesn't offer a direct split payment between multiple cards for most bookings, using the monthly payments option through Affirm gives you the flexibility to manage your travel expenses more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.